I'm Laura Kristoff, PhD, certified personal trainer, certified U.S. rowing coach, certified holistic health coach, and professor at Holyoke Community College. I'm here to talk about a nutrition class I'll be offering to your men and women this summer called Personal Nutrition, which is a one-credit course put on by Holyoke Community College. In this course, students gain an understanding of personal nutrition needs, including calories, carbs, protein, fat, as well as vitamins and minerals, and water. They learn to create meal plans, meet personal nutrition goals and needs, learn to navigate the grocery store, restaurants, and fast food chains, gain an understanding of nutrients in the food groups, and implement strategies to eat on and off shift, as well as before, during, and after workouts. So personal nutrition needs are first. We first do a body type assessment. Different types of bodies, the ectomorph, who tends to have trouble gaining weight, the mesomorph, who has a pretty muscular, lean body, and the endomorph, who tends to hold on to a little fat, all have a little bit different nutrition needs. They need different types of foods, different quantities of foods as well. In addition, depending on your energy expenditure, whether or not you work out in addition to the work that you do on the job, you're going to need a different amount of energy too. In addition, different people who have different body sizes need a little bit different amount of energy, and age also plays a factor. After we do an initial assessment, we go into meal planning. We learn about the quantity of food that you need each day, looking at portion sizes based on your meal frequency, body type, and physical activity, as well as the quality of foods that you're eating. So getting in those quality proteins, carbs, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water, and then applying those nutrients to the actual foods that you eat, including veggies, grains, dairy, as well as some fruits and other foods as well. Next, we start navigating your food environment. So we take a look at what's available to you and what strategies you're currently using to make food choices, and then alter those strategies a little bit to help you be more successful based on your personal goals. So, you might be looking a little bit more like the person on the left right here, whereas by the end of the class, you'll have all these great meals packed on the right. Or perhaps we'll meet in the middle somewhere and you'll be able to make better choices when you do only have access to fast food. Next, we'll focus on the nutrients and food groups. So the same nutrition plan doesn't work for everybody. We'll work with the theory of bio-individuality, which means everybody needs something a little bit different based on their personal preferences, their life stage, their allergies or intolerances, their physical activity level, as well as their body composition goals. Some of you might have some real physique goals to be as lean as possible, where other people might just be looking to prevent chronic disease and get through the day. So we'll make sure to strategize according to each of your own individual plans. Lastly, we'll focus on some time-based nutrition strategies. So this is really important for the 24-hour shift workers. This is important for people who are exercising. And this is important if you're going to events and eating, at maybe just one big meal a day. So when we look at pre, during, and post-exercise nutrition, there are special strategies that we can implement to optimize performance and leanness goals. Same thing with on-shift and off-shift working, depending on how much sleep you're getting, depending on how physically active you are, nutrition needs vary a little bit, and so that can be personalized too. And then for planning for events or vacations and things like that, when you might be wanting to have a little bit more freedom with your nutrition choices while making sure to stay within your physique and your health goals. So these are some of the different habits that we tend to implement throughout the semester in order to reach those goals. We focus on some portion size protein at every meal. We focus on carb quantity and quality based on physique and performance goals. We focus on some veggie goals each day for vitamins and minerals. We focus on cutting the added sugar out. We focus on eating slowly and noticing hunger and fullness, so you can start to get back to recognizing the different cues that your innate signals do tell you, but we learn to forget as we get to be adults and eat more by habit. And then we also try to address stress responses when possible. Stress really impacts our body composition in terms of fat gaining and weight gaining and things like that. And so we work on some strategies to reduce stress so we can make sure that we optimize our body composition. So you can feel free to contact me in the meantime at lkristoff@hcc.edu if you have any further questions about this course. We plan on running it through the summer, and I really hope to see you there. Take care.